How is it going?
Good. What?
Look at you, you're all dirty. Oh my god.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are super excited to be starting our flatbed truck camper build project. First up, we need to salvage this old rusty bed and make some much needed modifications. The bed was in really rough shape when we got it. There was a lot of rust. There was red and white marking tape running all along the outside of the bed, and a really rusty steel fifth wheel hitch that was welded into the frame and would need to be removed. We really wanted to salvage the existing boards on the flatbed, but the screws were rusted and broken, and it all had to be removed. With all this prep work out of the way, we could finally get down to business and cut the frame and make new wheel wells for where our new 41-inch tires will eventually go.
Alright, so I am getting ready to weld this new structure for the bed. So I already pre-welded those three pieces together, and now I'm about to weld that to the frame of the bed. So this piece is basically going to be the wheel well. So that's where basically the wheel will be able to go, and the traveler suspension should not go above here.
With both of the wheel wells welded up, we did some final sanding and painting of the frame in preparation to lay down the new bed. The first layer of the new bed was 1-inch plywood, which we coated on one side with Herculiner bed liner paint. The community workshop where we were completing this project had recently received a donation of PVC sheets, which we decided to use as the final layer on our bed. We're actually planning to use these sheets for our boxes as well. We caulked around the plywood and then put down a layer of glue before placing down the PVC sheets. We then screwed the PVC and the plywood directly into the frame. And we finished the bed off with a layer of caulk.
Here's some of the finished product. So the welding is pretty much done. I welded some 2 by 4 inch. It's 1/8 of an inch thick. So it just basically to follow the same type of steel and thickness that was used on the rest of the frame. And on the inside here I have just like some 3/4 inch square tube, also 1/8 of an inch thickness, wall thickness, and there's also like some 90-degree right here that I welded, also 1/8, and it's 3/4 by 3/4, so show that we will be able to close the wheel well and just screw directly into it. So there it is.
So that's it for this video, guys. Be sure to come back for our next video where we tackle making the custom storage boxes and hopefully mount the camper onto the new truck. Click subscribe and see you next time.